I meet you, I'm kind of put up on your face. And when I left you, I'm tell you say you need to do better. Instead you try to do better, look what you go do. You go choose the fast life for fuck batty for money. Oh, you still so brother? Yo, I'm telling you something. And I grow. Me not like man. We love easy life. Cause I feel like someone was fuck man. And that's why I start drift from my baby father. Because I say, as a man, Jaja, I can't more solid than you in another relationship here. I'm going to leave you alone. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to tell you this from the jump when the baby come. Me not grow up with gold spoon in my mouth. Me never dirt poor, but me did poor. I'm refuse to make my baby come live the same type of lifestyle. I'm realize say you're so complacent. You're not gonna do nothing because you know so Sasha go out and make the money and bring it in. Say decide say now go move. So me make you uncomfortable for leave. And instead of you leave, people is when the man leave, I'm see the man come back with a car. I'm see the man come back with clothes. Him said to me, say, Sash, me I do good now, you know. Please, me want back my family. Me I do good now. And I said to my mother, say, it look like Omar a scam. Because Omar just come up out of the blue with money and car. And it looked like him a scam. That was our first thing. When him start explaining to me, I said, where you get money from and this and that? Him said to me, say, him a work for one company. But me not for tell nobody in business. At first, it did trigger me. I come and say, why every time yes you're successful now, why are you afraid to talk about it? Him said, not tell nobody in business, not tell nobody in business. What is TikTok I say? Him said, not tell nobody in business. You understand? I never know say I'm gonna buy my car. Me never know say I'm gonna buy him cologne. Me never know say I'm gonna buy him clothes. Yo, me no know how people still saying no, me I be gonna tag Jamaica Constabulary Force. Omar, me not do you nothing. Omar, me left you because you're not progressive. And you prove my point, say what me do the right thing. I did the right thing, cause you see, me left you and instead of you go build yourself as a man, start from the scratch. People him love the fast life and him not like work. And nobody never know this. Nobody never know this. Me and a man in a relationship and me I done up the thing and people that think say I'm a man I do it. Nobody never know this. And you know why me do it for that boy there? Hey, me tell you something, Omar, your end now go easy, you know. Your end now go easy, no matter what on the platform do. If you even me tell you something, you now go successful and you now go live a happy life. You know how me take up the money and deal with the man so? I go stay with my brother. I so come I meet the man and I see the man and I realize say him not depend nothing too tough. And it was around Christmas time. People, it was around Christmas time and his mother lock him out and not give him no Christmas dinner. You hear me I tell you, his mother lock him out and not give him no Christmas dinner. I'm stand up and watch everything. And I call my mother up on the phone. Me I tell you how me and the boy start linking, you know. I call my mother up on the phone and I say, Mummy, me I talk to one boy now and his mother, you can't believe say mother lock him out at Christmas now, she not give him no dinner. My mother says she come for some dinner because at the time, me never have no way neither. I'm call my mother and we go for Christmas dinner for the boy. And I take up the boy because I develop a soft spot thing and realize say the boy don't really have no support behind him, you know. He not have the family support like me. He not have the family support like me. Omar, look into yourself.